If your work is about creating something that you truly care for, there is no need for balancing work and life. Work is life, life is work. What is any human being? In the world, I'm saying, within ourselves we can be many things without doing anything. But in the world, what is the value of us as social beings, as global citizens, other than the work that we do? So if work is not life, how will you invest yourself in it? If your work is only about making a living, that is a sad way to live. Please do not invest your life in just making a living. Please make a life out of everything that you do. This is important because it's your life, it's a limited amount of time, and unless you make the best of the little time that we have on this planet, particularly with the pandemic on, they're threatening us all the time. So, do something that you truly, genuinely care for so that your activity, your work becomes your life, and your life becomes the work that you do.